Okay guys, serious spiritual life hack. So anytime you go for a walk, if you can't take your shoes off because the floor's muddy or it's cold or you just don't want to take your shoes off, then get yourself a staff, okay? So I've got a staff, make sure it's made out of a natural material. Mine's made out of hazel wood, and make sure there's no rubber stopper on the bottom or anything so it can connect to the earth. And as you walk around, the energy from the earth comes up through the staff and into your hand, in your palm chakra. It stimulates your nervous system, it stimulates your chakras, and it fills you with really good energy and light. So you can also put your staff in water, and the water's super cleansing, so that'll actually cleanse out all negative energy first, get rid of spiritual blocks and things like that. And then what you can do is, once you're clear, you can walk around and connect to the earth, and that charges you up. And you can also connect to stones, and stones are seriously powerful energy conductors. Stones are just full of energetic charge, and that's why a lot of the megaliths are made out of stone, because the ancients used to go to those places kind of as like portals or power stations where you can connect to them and charge up ultra fast. You can also use your staff for moving bushes out the way, for beating off weirdos. You can use it for everything. Balance, for walking up hills, they're awesome. So your life's going to change. And you can also use crystals and wear crystal rings while you're walking around with the staff, and that basically channels the energy into different chakras and will charge you up and stimulate you in different ways. So mess around with it and see how it makes you feel, but you won't believe how powered and how energized and charged you feel from going on a walk with a staff. It's amazing. There's a reason why all the ancient masters, the wizards, ascended masters, they all had staffs, and this is why. So yeah, I hope you enjoy it. Thanks.